mandadaya, babagsak ako. Pero kung mandadaya at mahuli ako, mas grabe.
Anna is torn. She wonders, what if I fail? What if I cheat? These endless what-ifs are called counterfactual thinking.
Si Ana. Hoy, okay ka lang ba, Ana? Parang namang kinakabahan ka. Chill ka lang, nag-review ako. Kumapya ka na lang mamaya.
Hindi, okay lang. Pero sige, isa lang. Just in case.
Just in case.
Pero guys, huwag kayo papa-office kami. Mahuli tayo ng buka.
Right, hindi para hindi graduate.
Mag-ingat, guys.
Okay lang to. One answer lang.
Eyes on your paper, class. Remember, if you get caught, automatic zero na yun.
Anna cheats, but her mind races. What if she gets caught? What if she hadn't looked? Counterfactuals make her replay all the possible outcomes.
Sabi ko sa'yo, madali lang. Masyado ka kasing kinakabahan. Chill ka lang dapat next time.
Yeah, easy lang, pero hindi ko feel kung tama. Hindi worth it yung kaba kasi kung mahuli tayo, mas malala pa sa zero yung makukuha natin.
Girl, alam mo, okay lang yan. Huwag mo nang isipin. Pero kung talagang kinakabahan ka, edi next time, mag-aral lang tayo sa basa.
Next time, mag-aaral na lang talaga. Keep yung kaba and fear. What if I came prepared and better na lang?
Counterfactual thinking makes us imagine what could have been. It can motivate us to do better or trap us in regret. For Anna, it is a reminder that preparation beats shortcuts.